Bilisan na lang natin. Baka tatalon to. Baka tatalon. Faster. Yan. O, Marcoleta, posibleng kasuhan.
Buenas noches,
Kasi,
damas y caballeros. Tonight, we are going to discuss two issues regarding dito kay very, very controversial.
Yung second issue na tayo kagad, wag na doon sa may sose.
Morning, ma'am.
Ito ba yun?
Dito siya nagkakalat, which is
sa first topic, Peter's topic niya. Okay, good. Sige, umpisa natin sa umpisa. First topic pala niya yun.
Ni COMELEC Commissioner George Garcia. This will be decided upon by the ANBANC or the commissioner sitting as a whole. Ha? So tingnan natin. Sana nga kahit papaano the pressure o Ping Lacson sa COMELEC work. Ha? Kung nakita natin in-expose pa ni Ping Lacson yung mga pressure ng isang very influential group. Siyempre siguro referring to the Iglesia ni Cristo. So sana may effect yung expose na yun so that talagang justice will be meted dito kay Marcoleta. Nabiti na nga tayo sa decision ng COMELEC sa kaso ni Chis Escudero kung saan pinalusot nila si Chis Escudero sa illegal campaign contribution dito sa favorite contractor niya na nag-contribute ng 30 million. Pero mas malaki naman ito kay Marcoleta. Almost 140 million pero lahat hindi niya dineclare. At ngayon, palusot niya, ginawa para malusutan niya ito.
Alright.
I-refer ng COMELEC ang kaso. I-recommend nila na kaso ang campaign contribution na
wait lang, pinapass forward ko
non-declare amount impeachment dito kaya dito. So yan po, bukas yan. Wait for that. We will cover that tomorrow. Another issue po, kaya isinama ko na ito sa isang vlog. Ito naman, si Marcoleta ay binastos itong anak ni Tomas Cloma na nakadiscovery ng Kalayaan Island Group. Sa confirmation hearing ulit. Kumbaga, talaga siya, hinihintay talaga niya dito sa confirmation hearing at dito niya parang ina-ambush yung mga opisyalis na ma-confirm. Dito niya nire-raise yung issue ng KIG. Hindi ba siya pwede mag-file ng resolution para once and for all gawin ng hearing dyan? Di ba? Kung susuportahan siya ng majority. Pero dito siya Dito siya nagkakalat, which is the wrong forum. Kasi ang dapat i-discuss dito ay tungkol sa confirmation lang ng appointment ng mga appointees ni President Bongbong Marcos. So ngayon, ang bagong biktima niya sa hearing ng Commission on Appointments ay itong anak ni Tomas Cloma pa naman na dapat nga i-praise niya ito, dapat nga pagpasalamat siya dito. Pero ang ginawa niya, binastos pa niya itong maganda pa naman anak ni Tomas Cloma na humarap sa CA para ma-confirm yung appointment niya or promotion niya as full Colonel Jacqueline C. Cloma. Colonel Jacqueline C. Cloma. Salute tayo dyan. Dapat ka, nagsasalute ka dyan ang laking utang na loob. Ang laking utang na loob natin dyan sa Cloma family na yan. Dahil sila ang nakadiscovery ng Kalayaan Island Group. So i-play natin ito. Lang hiya talaga ito si Marcoleta.
Walang hiya talaga.
Nagkalat na naman sa babae pang binastos. Babae pang binastos.
Tayo dyan, Leonardo.
Colonel Jacqueline Cloma?
Yes, Brigadier General. Excuse. Ma'am, please take the seat.
Sorry. Medyo hindi ko nabasa gaano yung kwan. Hindi pala anak, kundi anak ng asawa. Asawa ng anak ni Cloma. Asawa ng anak ni Cloma. Pero ganun pa rin ang effect. Kahit asawa yan ng anak ni Cloma, ganun pa rin ang effect. Kasi ayan na naman, ginagamit na naman niya ang Committee on Appointments para atakihin, para parang ambush, ina-ambush niya yung mga opisyalis na dapat ma-confirm confirm sa Commission on Appointments. Asawa ng anak ni Cloma pala. Sorry.
Apo actually, apo ng asawa. Ate, asawa ng apo ni Cloma.
Good morning,
Yun.
ma'am.
Or apo sa tuhod. Medyo
Yun. Tama.
hindi ko kasi gaano nakwan yung mga
Asawa ng apo
yung
sa
title
tuhod ni Cloma.
ng bad team. Sige,
Yes,
tuloy tayo.
Cloma pa rin.
I guess
Sniper.
Corpus is your maiden name. So is your husband a direct descendant of Thomas Cloma?
My husband, sir, happens to be a great grandson.
Great grandson.
Great
Yes,
grandson.
sir, but
Great grandson.
his mother is cousin of Thomas Cloma.
Please extend my regards, and we'd like to thank him for discovering and occupying and
Yes.
owning and donating to the Philippine government the Kalayaan Island Group.
Yes.
That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Biro mo, na-discover niya, and then dinonate niya sa atin. Yung iba yung gagawa na ng resort doon or whatever. Siya over niya sa Philippine government during the time of former President Ferdinand Marcos Sr.
Shout out Elvira G.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Marcoleta.
Ano pangalan?
Yan na si Marcoleta. Sige.
Okay.
Let's go, Lord.
Colonel Cloma.
Colonel Cloma, so you are married to the descendant of Mr. Thomas Cloma?
Yes.
Senator Lacson made reference to his being the one who discovered the what? Kalayaan Island Group?
Kalayaan
Police
Island.
Patrice.
Kawawa naman.
Was that supported by
Pastos talaga.
reliable accounts, Colonel?
Sir, before I will speak, sir, I'd just like to make a disclaimer that my statement will not reflect of my organization. So this will be my personal account, sir, and based on the stories I had from my husband, and I did a little research about it, sir. So
I'm not referring, Colonel, to the stories. I'm talking about historical accounts, if they are very viable, that the great ancestor of your husband was the one who discovered the Kalayaan Island Group. Is this supported by historical facts?
I have seen and read some references about it, sir.
Did you know, Madam, that, Colonel, that when Mr. Thomas Cloma
Again, sa mga bagong pasok, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe.
made a
Kasi
freedom declaration in 19...
yung good pinupush pa rin niya, hindi na-discover yan ng Pilipino, kaya pwede mapunta yan sa China. Ganon pa rin siya eh.
56.
Diyos ko, Lord talaga.
Several countries objected because, several countries like United Kingdom, the United States of America, China did also, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines.
Kung hari sinasabi niya iba-ibang lugar nag-object, pero syempre China yun ang tina-target niya. Ang question lang ganito, kung na-discover nila yan, bakit pinabayaan nila yan? Magandang island na yan, kompleto na yan eh.
Tama.
Hindi yan tulad sa Mischief Reef na nakalubog.
Hindi sila
Ito, isla na talaga. Bakit hindi nila inoccupy yan? Bakit sila Cloma lang ang nag-occupy yan? So yun lang. Kasi ngayon binabanggit na niya mga iba't ibang bansa. Pero syempre China naman talaga ang interesado dyan. So pasakalye pa siya eh. Pero doon rin ang tumbok niya sa China.
Sige, banat, attorney.
Ikaw ba?
Ay, banat, Sir Bad.
based on my reading,
That when Mr. Thomas Cloma made a freedom declaration in 1956, several countries objected because, several countries like United Kingdom, the United States of America, China did also, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines. Did you know that?
based on my reading, sir, I only read countries like Vietnam, China, and France.
Yes. Did you know that these countries objected to his declaration?
Yes, sir.
And there is a common ground, Colonel, why they objected. Do you know what the ground is?
May you please enlighten me, sir, on that?
Yes. Because according to the objectors, Kalayaan Island Group at the time is no longer treated as terra nullius, which means that
Nobody's silent.
it is not unoccupied and it was not undiscovered.
Kawa talaga yung apo. Wala siyang choice kundi pagbigyan si Marcoleta. Kasi pwede i-deny yung confirmation niya. Kumbaga, nakatutok yung baril ni Marcoleta sa kanya. Tingnan mo talaga itong bastos na ito. Ha?
Aray ko po.
Harap-harapan, binabastos. Wala naman sa topic. Kung pwede lang magsalita yun ng tama, sasabihin, I don't think this has anything to do with my promotion, Mr. Senator.
Tama.
This has no bearing with my promotion because my promotion will only be established based on my work,
Performance.
based
Performance.
on my accomplishment as a colonel.
Tama.
Anything that has to do with the grandfather of my husband
Wala na akong pakialam doon.
doesn't have any bearing on my promotion.
Tama.
Kasi wala naman din naman siya kasama sa nag-discover noon eh. Hindi pa nga siguro siya pinanganak nung na-discover ng lolo ng asawa niya. Great-great-grandfather. So malayo-layo na. Iba talaga utak ni Marcoleta para lang
Ay, sinabi mo pa, Sir Bat.
yung China, pati babae, binabastos. Hindi
My
kayo
goodness.
nagkalakalayo ni Suntay.
Tagibanat.
Kaya po, Colonel, pati ang ating bansa vigorously objected. And that is why it is not correct to assume that
Yan na naman.
he discovered it because several other discoverers
Bastos.
prior to his time.
Bastos.
Do you know that in 1837, the United Kingdom already made a notification claim? Did you know that, madam? And in 1933,
Pwede lang talaga sagutin ang bobo nyo, Senator. Alam nyo ba,
Palitan ko nga ang title
ano
nito.
ang promotion ko as a
Palitan ko yung
colonel?
title nitong
I'm
live
not
natin.
supposed to know these things. Issue yan
Pambabastos
ng
ni
Department of
Marcoleta.
Foreign Affairs. Take issue with the Department of Foreign Affairs.
Teka lang.
Senator, I'm not a diplomat. I'm not an ambassador.
Palitan ko yung title nito.
Why should I answer such stupid question? Traidor talaga.
the Japanese or Japan also made the same notice of claim, 1933. Prior to the declaration of Mr. Thomas Kluma in 1956, Japan already made a notice of claim. Meaning, marami na po talaga ang nakadiscover ng Kalayaan Island Group. So, hindi po siya pwedeng mag-donate dahil inobjekan po ng ating bansa mismo. Do you know the representative of the Philippine government at the time when the objection was made? Alam po ninyo?
Napalitan ko
Hindi
na
yan
yun.
alam.
Hindi
Colonel
pa
yan eh.
pinapanganak eh.
They are trained in the strategy of war. Ito kwan ata siya eh, RN rin, nurse rin. So medical issues. Bakit pati yung ginawa ng lolo niya, lolo ng asawa niya, ay inuungkat
Kaya
sa
nga,
Commission on Appointment hearing. Grabe talaga itong Chinador na to. Basta lang makapunto sa China. Kahit wala sa lugar, magsasalita.
tama, agree.
Jukebox ito. Every time magsalita pro-China, may pinapadala tikoy. May pinapadala maleta sa kanya. Ni Xi Jinping, maleta.
Diyos ko Lord.
Ano kayang laman? Tikoy, ano pa kaya? O, yan. Sige. Tuloy.
Tragis talaga si Leonardo.
Para maka-boundary ka na sa maleta. Ng tikoy.
Aray ko po.
He was then the Secretary of Foreign Affairs who became President of this country.
Salamat, Sniper 69. Thank you. Salamat.
So hindi po talaga pwede na siya yung nag-discover, madam, on those grounds. And it is not correct that earlier it was reflected in the minutes of this commission, that President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. formalized it in Presidential Decree 1596. There is no record attesting to that. And there is no record also, Mr. Chair, that his donation was formalized by the arbitral ruling. That is not on record. Colonel, Mr. Chair.
Anong
Yes, for the
kinalaman
record.
niya?
Thank you very much.
Putragis.
Thank you, Honorable.
Anong kinalaman yan? Anong kinalaman niya binabanggit mo sa achievements nitong asawa, itong asawa ng apo ni Cloma. Porket Cloma lang eh. Diyos ko lang talaga si Marcoleta, oo. Kaya tama sabi ni Sir Bad eh. Pati itong mga, ay, nako talaga, oo. Yung pamabastos talaga ni Marcoleta, Diyos ko Lord. Nako po, Diyos ko po, Rudy. Ibang klase talaga ang mga kaalyado mo. Diyos ko po.
Marcoleta?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Honorable Lacson.
Colonel Cloma,
Yan na.
what is the difference between discovery and occupation? Is there a difference? You may discover an island, but if you don't occupy it, then you don't occupy it.
Tama. Tama.
So can you tell us the basic difference between discovery per se
Yes.
and discovery and occupation?
So based on my apprehension, sir. So once you discover something, sir, you just learn about it, and then you can just pass by, sir. Yes, sir. That's the term. And once you occupying is a different thing, sir, because you spend a lot of time, a certain period of time in that certain area. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Honorable Lacson.
Sampal.
Any more queries from the members? We may now excuse Colonel Cloma, Jacqueline Cloma.
I will, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Colonel. Any more queries from the members?
Pasimple lang yung interjection ni
We
Ping
have
Lacson.
Honorable Rizal Taveros.
O yan, si Risa pa, si Risa.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Also, before my next question, also just for the record, since we are making things off record, the 2016 arbitral ruling, Philippines versus China, concluded that China's 9-dash line has no legal basis for claiming historic rights to resources within Philippine waters, including areas of the Kalayaan Island Group. The tribunal ruled in favor of the Philippines, clarifying that China's claims violate UNCLOS. For the record also, Mr. Chair.
Question to the Colonel, I just want to make of record that the arbitral tribunal ruled really on the 9-dash line of China that the 9-dash line was invalidated because it was not based on historic rights of China. That was correct. But the second premise of Senator Ontiveros is inaccurate because the arbitral tribunal did not rule on the Kalayaan Island Group because the Philippine government in its Philippine memorial did not ask the tribe.
Pwede na yan. Na nakakainis na ang pakinggan itong si Marcoleta. Buti nga, na kwan siya, na pahiya siya kay Ping. Siyempre, kung ang Britain, nakadiscover niyan, dapat hindi na nila pinabayaan yan. Sila na naka-occupy dyan.
Or yung
Kung
Japanese.
ang China nakadiscover dyan, hindi na nila pinakawalan yan. Sana meron na sila mga marker dyan. Or parati naman pupunta yung mga mangingisda nila dyan. Sana meron na sila mga bahay-bahay dyan. Pero tayo ang nag-occupy dyan. Tayo nakadiscover at tayo rin naka-occupy. So yan At
Which
least,
is good.
pero makikita mo, grabe ito si Marcoleta, pati babae, maganda pa naman. Colonel pa, binabastos at harap-harapan na sinasabi na hindi totoo, hindi nakadiscover yung lolo ng asawa niya, itong Kalayaan Island Group. So sana nga, let's pray let's keep our fingers crossed na madali na ito si Marcoleta bukas sa ruling ng Commission on Election. Pray for that. Sige, hanggang dyan na lang po muna tayo. Medyo pagod na si Vat. Thank you very much everyone for watching and see you in my next vlog.
Yun, salamat Sir Bad. O di ba Sir Leonardo, ibang klase talaga si Marcoleta. Iba. Elvira G, iba. Annalyn Ando, shout out. Mito nyo, walang patawad talaga si Marcoleta, no? Ito, confirmation ng kanilang mga appointments, mga, kumbaga parang, promotion. Anong kinalaman ng promotion ni Colonel Cloma, yung babaeng yan, doon sa binabanggit ni Marcoleta? Unrelated talaga, my goodness. Nagpapapansin na naman, kaya Marcoleta strikes again, Diyos ko Lord Rudy. Kaya yan, pinalitan na natin yung Marcoleta strikes again. Ginawa na natin, iparehas natin sa almost the same title ni Sir Bad. Alright? Subtopic tayo, Sir Leonardo. Siguro mga dalawang topic kasi it's already 11:40. Dalawa lang siguro. Tagti 10 minutes. Sa maiksi lang tayo. Alright? Countdown muna tayo, Mabsat. Maraming salamat po. Like and subscribe po tayo, Mabsat. Here we go.